I'm so confused on what the fuck is going on. Run on the roof.
I don't know what's going on, but I'm scared.
Same.
Okay, let's go. There's two more teams. I think two other teams. There's one.
Got one. On you, on you, on you.
Big one. What the fuck was that?
3 teams in Storm, bro. Alright, out of my allergy. The fuck was that? Ugh. I gotta wake up at 9. Alright. Thank you for the games. I appreciate y'all.
Okay.
Y'all some real ones. Y'all the goats. Hope you guys keep on gaining. Peace and love. Fuck Erica though.
Boy. Wow.
What? I got ratted in the corner. Yeah, this is just getting. This is a controller player. He's controller looting, so just be aware of that. He was ratting in a corner.
A controller player with a Devo.
QA ouchie, bro. Just ratting on me? Is this how this dude got masters? That Lobo weak.
No, I can't hit it.
Erica, the Lobo's in a corner.
Oh, she's in that corner.
Yeah, man. All she does is know how to rap. And stay in the corner where she fucking belongs, bro. Shit. I might have to pay her $50 to give me some ass for that.
Christmas came early. Care package.
Fucking dog shit. My teammates are just better, bro. They ratted on me just to get 2v3'd. They're dog shit.
What's in here?
On your guard.
The rest in the
Got a buster
dark.
there.
Wait, doesn't my box have a Moby?
I have a movie. We'll use my movie.
What a banger spot, honestly. Big brain, Erica. Big brain. There's a Gibby bub right here.
Uh-oh.
Sending an arc star their way.
Just giving my shield a recharge.
Being targeted. Reloading. Reinforcing with a Phoenix kit.
Reload.
Oh shit. She doesn't have fucking shotgun ammo.
Reloading.
I'm so confused on what the fuck is going on. We're on the